Alrighty guys, here we go. Clean water right there, all good. All WD-40 on the tracks. This baby's ready to go again. I cleaned up. It took me a few hours, but it's worth it. You know, you still see the dust. I mean, you can't do it 100% unless you use a vacuum. I really didn't want to do it this time. Maybe next time I'll use it. So it's all clean, all ready to go for the next project. And I think the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and build a cage for this guy right here, so it can come out and sit right here outside, maybe somewhere right here. So I have to move the plug over here. Air I got over there already. So a few things more. It'll be really stationary. Yeah, it'll be good. It's all clean, looking good, man. It takes time, well, but the thing is that I want to keep it for a long time, you know. I want to keep it running. So that's the thing. Made in USA. Alright guys, have a good one. Any question, let me know. Thanks.